Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Figma link. First, open your Figma file and look for the blue Share button located in the top right corner of your canvas. Clicking this button will open a sharing dialog box. Inside this box, you will find a Copy Link button. Simply click it to copy the unique URL of your design to your clipboard. Remember to check your access settings before sharing your work with anyone. Once you have the sharing dialog open, you can manage who sees your work. You can select anyone with the link to make it publicly accessible or only people invited for private sharing. For public links, decide if they can view your design, allowing observation, or can edit, enabling full collaboration. For private invitations, you can also assign specific roles, ensuring everyone has the correct level of access to your project. Beyond simple sharing, Figma offers ways to embed and present your designs. To embed your file into a website or blog, click the Share button, then select Get Embed Code. This provides an HTML snippet for integration. For presenting your work, click the Present button, which opens your design in presentation mode. You can then copy the URL from your browser's address bar to share this interactive presentation view with others. To ensure your designs are shared securely, always double-check your link permissions before sending them out. Make sure you have selected the appropriate access level, whether it is can view or can edit, and if it is for anyone with the link or specific individuals. Regularly review your shared files to confirm that only authorized people retain access. For highly confidential projects, inviting specific team members directly is often the most secure approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.